To start, make a duplicate of the logo. Then use the hue or saturation window to desaturate the image and turn it black and white. Next, use brightness or contrast to max out the black and white sections. If you can't achieve this using brightness or contrast, you can use levels as well. After you are done, use the dropper tool to sample both the black and white sections of your image. The white section should have a color code of FFFFFF, which is fully white, and the black section of the code should be 000000, which is fully black. If the background section of your image is white, invert the colors, so that the visible section becomes white instead. Create a duplicate of your original logo and reveal its layer mask. Select your black and white image using Ctrl A. Then use Ctrl C to copy it. Alt left click on your layer mask to switch to it, and press Ctrl V to paste your image in. Alt click back on your image and hide any layers under it. Your image should now be transparent. Note that if your original image is low quality or has fuzzy borders, your resulting image will have fuzzy borders as well. In such cases, take note of where you use the logo, so that the fuzzy borders are not obvious.